If you feel like you can't take it anymore, then this message is for you. Have you ever smiled in front of everyone while quietly falling apart inside? Sometimes people look at your face and assume you're doing fine, but they have no idea how many silent battles you fight when no one is around. Some pain cannot be explained. Some tears never fall from the eyes, they stay buried deep in the heart. Life is not always easy. Sometimes the kindest souls carry the heaviest pain. The people who make others smile are often the ones hiding their own sadness. The people who are always there for everyone else are often the ones who feel the most alone. And one of the hardest truths is this: people rarely notice your value until your silence replaces your presence. But listen carefully, you are not weak. You have simply endured more than most people know. You have been piecing yourself back together in silence, trying to stand again after every fall. While others may have expected you to give up, you kept searching for a reason to keep going. That is your strength. That is your courage. Do not break yourself trying to hold on to people who never truly valued you. Do not let the opinions of those who misunderstood you define your worth. Not every loss is meant to destroy you. Sometimes losing certain people is how you finally find yourself. Sometimes the end of a chapter is not the end of your story, it is the beginning of a new one. Remember this: the night does not last forever. No matter how long the darkness feels, morning always comes. Today your life may feel messy. Today your heart may feel tired. Today your mind may be telling you to give up. But your story is not over. There is still more ahead of you. There is still light within you, more than enough to overcome this darkness. Do not think less of yourself just because someone failed to understand you. Not everyone will recognize your value, and that does not make you any less valuable. The pain you have gone through did not come to end you. It came to shape you, to deepen you, to turn you into someone stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Maybe today you feel alone. Maybe today you do not have the words to explain what you are feeling. Maybe today all you can do is sit in silence. But even in that silence, you are still fighting. And that matters. Every day you keep going is proof that you are not finished yet. You are not broken beyond repair, you are rebuilding. So if you need to cry, then cry. If your heart feels heavy, allow yourself to feel it. But never forget this: you are not done. Your life still has meaning. Your dreams are still alive. Your heart is still capable of healing, loving, and beginning again. And you, yes, you, will rise again. You will smile again. You will find your light again. One day, you will look back on this season of your life and say, I was hurting, but I did not quit. I was overwhelmed, but I did not surrender. I felt alone, but I became my own strength. And on that day, you will realize that this pain was not here to break you. It was here to build you. So do not give up now. Move slowly if you need to, but do not stop. Your story is not over. This is only the beginning of your comeback.